hi, hello. Welcome back, welcome in. What is a fence? Something used to keep unwanted guests out of your backyard from using it like a playground. Something to block out the trashy neighbors who won't even pick the trash up out of their backyard. To block the trashy neighbors' dogs from barking at you constantly, 24/7 every time you set foot out of your own door. For a privacy function, contain your dog so that they may run around freely without entering the rest of the neighborhood. Fences are great, and today we're gonna build one. You get to tag along and see what the process is like for building your own fence at home. The fence has already been started, so you missed the beginning, but that's all right because I have photos and I will give you a quick rundown of the first steps that you'll need in order to build your at-home fence. But you are just in time to catch the final process of getting your fence together. We're in the middle portion of it now, putting in the I don't even know what the name, I don't know much about fences. This is not sitting here acting like I'm gonna teach you how to build a fence. I'm just tagging along too, to be honest. Zachary is out there doing all this now. So sit down, get comfortable, and get your tools, because it is time to go outside and put this bad boy together. I will meet you outside, but before you head out, I'm going to show you real quick just how we started this entire project. Wow! Hi, hello. So the first thing you're going to have to do, if you noticed here, there are holes in the ground and posts laying down. You're going to want to buy yourself or rent from a local tool. Rent from your local tool supply chain is an auger, which is like a big jackhammer that digs holes into the ground, okay? You're gonna use one of those. You can go ahead and set your post into the ground, level them out, pour your concrete in. Well, howdy ho everybody, just checking out the backyard so far. We got a lot of it done yesterday. It's early today and we have still a lot to go. So we started working over here after the post set. We set these about 2 days ago, and today we gotta finish doing these last ones over here. Then it turned out that we didn't have the wood we needed some longer wood, so this calls for a trip to Home Depot! Yep, this was a fun adventure. So we went in here and looked for the wood that we needed for a minute, had to use the app, Wi-Fi sucked, this thing scared me, but eventually we found it. And then Zack got angry at everybody surrounding us and getting in the way and left me behind, and I had to quickly catch back up, but as you can see, I did. Put the cart away so Cart Narp doesn't hunt me down, and we're headed back home. This is all the wood we've ordered from Menards. As you can see, we've gotten through an entire pallet already with a lot left over, and here's what we're getting ready to do today.
For the very first one, I gotta mark it out.
Oh.
So I can, I just match the height all the way down.
Oh, you're so smart.
Not really.
I think you are.
How much you got overhanging?
Oops.
Dude, I just blocked that.
Well, it's not gonna break. I'm sorry, though.
Come on.
Smush a bug. Don't be mean to me.
You got it?
Yeah.
What is that?
Okay.
Maybe.
Oh. You came back. Hold up, I'm on the wrong side.
Why did Zack die? He had an aneurysm. Oh well.
That's okay.
Too high. Way too high.
I know, I got things happening.
Down. Down. Roll.
Too deep. I should have went that way. I should have went that way. I went too low.
Get off to the side.
What's my phone?
That's the wrong side. You on this side, so just fall that way.
You're so smart.
Okay, I think we started at like 9, 8, it's like 1:30 now. Jack is getting a little sliver made out of one of the dead pieces of wood that had a slit in it. He's gonna make a sliver, cut it up, and have it fit in that little crack right there, and then we're just gonna have to make the fence around this tree. This tree right here is formed into the fence, this fence that belongs to the neighbor. It, like, when it grew, I guess, fused, became one. So we have to go around the tree. There's nothing we can do about that. And then, yeah, we just got to finish putting up some boards over here, and we'll probably work on this section here next. What are you thinking about, handsome man? Why did you add the brackets again?
Make everything flush.
Not know what that means.
If the earth wasn't flat, nothing would ever be level.
So everything is just about done at this point. We built both the gates, put the latches on, everything's hooked up, ready to go, looking great. Giving the door here a little test run, but it gets stuck. Like I said, you know, we gotta dig this up, so it's getting stuck here, but here it is so far. Everything opens, everything works, and we're really, oh my god, grab that, hurry! Now, the gate is getting stuck on this dirt path that we have right here, so I have to do a lot of digging to level it out so that the gate will open fully all of the way to here. What sucks about all of this is that it's 90% rock. I know from here it looks like dirt, but it's 90% rock under here, so it's terribly difficult to dig through, and I hate it. And to wrap things up, we're just about done. Everything's done to the point that Dexter can finally come out and free roam, enjoy his yard. Just have to do this back section last, and it'll be a few days before his screws come in from Amazon, but as you can see here, Zach is going to feed him to the back side and screw him on that way. Just need some longer screws. But besides that, we're all done. It's been some hard work, but all worth it for Dexter right here. Thank Thank you everybody for stopping by today. I appreciate you so much. Comment down below. Do you think that you'll ever build your own fence? Or maybe you'll just pay someone to do it for you. This was stressful at times, so no shame if you do pay somebody. But like this video if you enjoyed hanging out with us today, and subscribe for more. I got new content every weekend, Friday to Saturday, so make sure you subscribe for that. Stay safe, stay as cool as beans. I'll see you in the next one.